All right, we got a lot of celebrations today. We begin in Cherryvale with Jaylee Ann Wan celebrating birthday number 1. Happy birthday, Jaylee.
And Oakland O'Banion is turning 1 year old this year. What a cutie there in Arma, Kansas. Happy birthday coming from your great mama.
And we've got Madeline Pryor celebrating birthday number 7. Madeline looks a lot warmer in that photo than what it is right now. Happy birthday.
All right, and Serenity is 7 strong this year. What a pretty picture there of her in Joplin. Happy birthday from Mama, Nanny, and all of your sisters.
We've also got Rowan Miller celebrating birthday number 12. Happy birthday, Rowan.
All right, happy birthday, Rowan, and happy 26th birthday going out to Joey Forkner. Joey is in Joplin.
Over in Thayer, we've got Dakota Trout celebrating birthday number 26. Dakota, a very happy birthday.
Kenzie Cohen celebrating birthday number 29 this year. What a lovely family photo there. Kenzie is in Parsons, Kansas with love from Dad, Dana, and all of your siblings.
We've also got Amy Utley celebrating birthday number 56 in Iola. Amy, happy birthday.
All right, Lois Rada celebrating birthday number 91 this year. Looking great there, Lois, in Thayer, Kansas. And we had Dakota earlier here, turning 26. This is Dakota's grandmother.
All right, and then we have John Hout, our national sales manager here at KOAM, celebrating a birthday today. John, a very happy birthday. When I first started in news many years ago, his son, John Hout, trained me on how to do graphics for newscasts. That was a very long time ago. That was 20 some odd years ago. So happy birthday, John. I hope it's a great one for you.
All right, happy birthday, John. Paul and Lindsay Morris are celebrating their 6th anniversary this year. I love the photo there. They're in Columbus. Happy anniversary.
And we've got Francis and Ellen Jackson celebrating their 50th anniversary in Yates Center. Francis and Ellen, a very happy birthday, both of you.
All right, in Columbus, Ruth Hale celebrating birthday number 80 this year. Hope it's a great one for you.
We've also got Sarah Langford celebrating in Carterville, and Barbara Goni celebrating number 82 in Oswego. This is a belated birthday wish, but it's never too late to celebrate. Now, if you want to continue to celebrate or help us celebrate with you, Tanya's going to tell you how to do that.
That's right. All you have to do is email us those birthdays at koamtv.com or send them to birthdays. Don't forget the S on that, at koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're on our website checking out all the really awesome stuff it's got to offer, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right.